Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start or join a party from your phone if you're trying to talk to your PlayStation 5 friends or 4 friends. And you can just go to the PlayStation app right here. You can download it through the PlayStation Store. It's called PlayStation app on your phone. Open this up, sign in with your account. So you're going to be under this page. Scroll on down from the top. And then you can see your most recent parties appear. So there's all my friends, the Diamond team. You can view all the parties, and you can just quickly join the party. So a lot of times I just like doing the party chats because people can come and go as they want. We don't need to invite people. Otherwise, you can go up to the party icon right here and just select this, and you can start an open party or a closed party, or you can go to party settings. So that's like the PlayStation 5 right there. But let's go to my message group since I like doing that. Otherwise, I could just select it on the top here. That'd probably be easier. Because sometimes if you try to select into the message group, it's really buggy and slow on this app. Then you can go to the headphone icon right here. And then you can go to start party. And it's starting the party sometimes. Okay, it's connecting, so this is working well today. It's working. And now I'm in the party. You can see when I speak, just like the PlayStation 5, we've got the speakers mute. And you can leave down there. And then you can add people up here. And then you get the party settings right here. So this is really nice. I like using the message group over just creating a party. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did? Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.